Long time no see, boys and girls. So, we're back at a previous job. This is Dexter. You might recognise this one from a video we did a couple of years ago when the channel was active. The channel's going to become active, that's the news today. So obviously, you know, I had the surgery. I had a lot of time off because of that and recovery. I've been back to work full-time plastering, but now we're established and set up again with our plastering business, which is my original trade. It's what I was trained in. And yeah, now that's all set up, we're going to be expanding back into the pressure washing business again and setting that up on the side, which I will be running. So this is just going to be an iPhone video, so please excuse the quality of filming. I'm going to buy a new GoPro, but in the meantime I'll give you a little tour of our new van. This is going to get built out this weekend, so we've got a new Transit Custom, not new, a second-hand Transit Custom. So at the minute we're just bootlegging it. We got the reel, we got the water tank just sitting there, obviously the old trusty. If anyone wants to know what that is, it's a Hyundai HYW 4000p PSI, 15 litres per minute, and that does plenty for me. We've got chemical, but we can do it with the watering can today. So as I said, we are sort of bootlegging it, but after the weekend, the full setup's going to be built just into that side door, taking out those shelves, and that will mean we can just open the side door at jobs and crack on. So yeah, I mean, like I said, don't expect great quality from this video. It's just going to be an iPhone one, but I am going to be back. The channel's going to be back up and running. Just give me some time to get into the season, get a few videos together, and hopefully stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So this is the patio. I've cleaned this one before, you might recognise it from another video. We're going to clean that deck over there and just a little small bit of patio there as well. And yeah, stay tuned. I'll do a time lapse. This won't be a long video, so quick time lapse. And as I said, the channel will be up and running again in the next few weeks. Hopefully we'll get a new GoPro and we'll start running things again. Okay guys, so we've got Dexter on the surface cleaner. Top section's clean, just needs a rinse down and a treatment. There you go. He's loving it. He's a plasterer by trade as well, but convinced him into, he's my business partner actually, so convinced him into reopening bucket washing, and he's come out and helped me on today and yesterday, and he's loving it. So we'll definitely be opening this after the business again and adding that in as another service. I'm really looking forward to coming back. Yeah, don't get on your foot. Oh, you've ruined your fag.
Look at that, I sprained my foot. I can't clean my shit.
Yeah, I bet it hurt though. Alright, second job of the day, coming back to re-sand the driveway that we cleaned yesterday. Still ever so slightly damp, but not too bad. And we cleaned Indian sandstone patio around the back.